Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with custom convenience package, Chevy Tech spray-on black bed liner, dual exhaust with polished outlets, forward collision alert, OnStar and Chevrolet connected services capable, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 premium audio system, hitch guidance, infotainment package, power front windows with passenger express down, theft deterrent system, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.